If you want to screen record on your iPhone, this video will show you exactly how to do it. It only takes a few seconds to set up, and once it's done, you can start recording whenever you want. If this helps, hit subscribe for more quick iPhone tips. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Press and hold on empty area in the control center until the icon starts to wiggle. Then tap Add a Control and add Screen Recording. That's it, screen recording is now added to your control center. Now to actually start a recording, open the control center and tap the screen recording button that you just added. It looks like a circle inside another circle. You'll see 3-second countdown and then your phone will start recording everything on your screen. To stop the recording, tap the red indicator at the top of your screen. Then tap Stop. Your recording is automatically saved to your Photos app. Just open the photos and you'll find it there. A couple of things to know. If your phone is on silent mode, the recording won't capture sound from apps. But if you want to record your own voice while recording, press and hold the screen recording button in Control Center. Then tap the microphone icon to turn it on and tap Start Recording. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.